Ancient DCIS Class 7, all about ancient Egypt. We really hope you enjoy it!
Ancient means a very long time ago. Ancient Egypt started 5,000 years ago and ended 2,000 years ago.
Egypt is located in North Africa and is mostly made up of the Sahara Desert. The river Nile ran through the whole of ancient Egypt and to the sea, and the mud was very handy for building.
It was extremely important to life in ancient Egypt as it helped the plants grow and it gave fertile soil. It also was handy for trading as they sold pottery, food and jewelry.
Hey, you want to play a game of totem cards?
Sure, sounds fun. What type?
Ancient Egypt gods.
Okay, let's play.
Flip your cards over.
Which card is the strongest?
I'm Osiris, the god of the underworld.
Ooh, I worship you a good love, death, and the flowing of the Nile.
Osiris is going to win this contest because he has a green face. See?
Osiris is the greatest god because his name even means powerful. I am Anubis, the god of the deaf. Anubis is the most important god because he's the leader of mummification and guides to the afterlife. He has so much knowledge because he's one of the oldest gods.
Anubis is going to win because he has the head of a jackal. And look, he's even in a book. Osiris, importance 10.
Anubis, importance 9.
10 beats 9.
Yes, I win.
I am Ra, the god of the sun.
Ra is the best because Egyptian tyrants built pyramids just to worship him.
Ra's gonna win because he's lord of all the gods.
Egyptians believe that every night Ra dies and each morning he is born again. He is indestructible. Go Ra!
I am Horus, the god of the sky. You can call me Hor, Har, Her, or Heru.
Horus is the best because he has a hawk head and he can fly.
And we know that he's gonna beat Ra because he has defeated many gods before. We're gonna beat you because pharaohs were considered a living form of Horus. And you know how important pharaohs are? He also knows all of Ra's names, even his secret one.
Sambi, it's your turn now. Ra, power 9. Horus, skill 7. Ra wins, now it's a tie.
Hi, I'm the mighty Bastet, daughter of Ra.
Who's gonna win? Vesta will be victorious because he's a god of all cats. Can you believe that she actually has the eye of Ra? You are so mighty, O powerful one.
Bastet will win because she was the most honored feline in all of ancient Egypt. I'm Isis, the goddess of magic. I'll cast a spell on you. Isis is the best because she has many healing powers.
Isis controls all of the magical powers, so she will control that measly cat, no problem.
Isis is the best god because she's the protector of all children, like me and me.
And me too.
Isis is the best god.
Isis, popularity 7. Bastet, popularity 10. Yeah. Bastet wins.
Yeah. Oh God.
Yes! I win. Oh, I lost. It's okay. Maybe the next time you can try again. Good job on your window. Thanks. Many people know about ancient Egypt because of the pyramids that still exist today. Over 100 pyramids were built for pharaohs, the rulers of ancient Egypt. The largest pyramid is found at Giza near Cairo, which is the capital of modern Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is 147 meters tall and was a tomb for King Khufu, taking over 20 years to build. I'm going to build a model of the Great Pyramid of Giza out of Lego. That's going to be awesome, Luca. Can I watch, please? Sure, Coco. It might take me a while, though. Ancient Egyptians believed that once a pharaoh had died, they would need to have their belongings buried with them to take to the afterlife. Many treasures were found in the tombs. The tombs are often broken into by robbers, so some pyramids contain traps and had curses put on them to try to prevent the thieves from stealing all the treasure. There were markings found on the tombs that looked like symbols. Ancient Egyptians used these hieroglyphics to write. Writing in hieroglyphics was complicated because there were over 700 symbols to learn. People had to train to become scribes to learn how to read and write hieroglyphics. Scribes often began their training at the age of 7 years old. They used to write on papyrus paper which made out of turrets. The scribe would be chosen to carve the hieroglyphics on the tomb and temples. How to write the hieroglyphic that means It's easy, you just have to draw an owl. It looks a lot like hieroglyphs from what? I remember now, we learned hieroglyphics last week. Shh, not talking, this is a quiz. I finished mine. I wrote a whole paragraph about how wonderful our pharaoh is. Well done, child. One day you will have the honor to write hieroglyphics on the next pyramid.
finally finished. What do you think, Coco? Coco?
You will never guess what I just heard.
What?
I just overheard a teacher saying that there is a celebrity coming to visit our school.
Wow, really? Who is it?
Maybe it's Zac Efron, or... No, it's someone even more important than that. Have you ever heard of Tutankhamun?
King Tut, you gotta be joking. He can't be going to our school.
Yeah, I mean he was killed thousands of years ago. Surely he's,
Mummified!
No, he really is coming to our school. And year 3 are going to be showing him around.
We need to make sure he feels welcome.
Let's make him a wrap. Get it? A wrap. Because he's all wrapped up. Mummified? Forget it.
No, I think you're onto something. I know a song we could rap to.
Stop! Take a moment to listen. Educating you guys is our mission. It's in line with a double vision. Learn all about the ancient Egyptian pharaohs, rulers and kings, gold, jewels, expensive things. Don't stress about being mummified. Your cat will be buried by your side.
Organs in canopic jars. Try to keep up with the year 3 bars.
Deadly, ancient melody. Take out the brain through your nose, not a felony.
Love it or live it, this isn't a game. The afterlife is calling your name.
Linen, wrapped in a new gum. Pack amulets and protective charms. Don't change the station. Learn about us and our civilization.
Quick, put the coffin in a tomb. Have a look around my Asian bedroom.
Pyramid, Mary of the Kings, curse protecting all my things. Check out the wall, hieroglyphs. These are story, not ancient myths.
Pharaohs, most important so far, Tutankhamun and Cleopatra. Stop. Take a moment to listen. Educating you guys is our mission. Do you know our healing god Horus? Our divine child's gonna take you to the chorus.
BC, let's kick it.
Are you ready for a challenge? We've got a quiz for you to try. Please pause the video after each question to give yourself time to figure out the answer. Good luck!
When did the ancient Egyptian civilization begin and end? The answer is, it began around 5,000 years ago and ended 2,000 years ago.
What is the name of the long river that flowed through Egypt, and why was it important in ancient times? The answer is, the River Nile allowed people to live in ancient Egypt because it made the land fertile and suitable for growing crops.
Who was Horus and what did he look like? The answer is Horus was the god of the sky, and he was shown as having the head of a hawk.
How tall is the Great Pyramid of Giza? The answer is, the Great Pyramid of Giza is 147 meters tall. That's even taller than Big Ben and the Statue of Liberty.
How many hieroglyphic symbols have been identified? The answer is, more than 700 different hieroglyphic symbols have been identified by Egyptologists.
Where are the organs kept once a person has been mummified? The answer is, the organs are kept inside canopic jars.
thank you for watching our assembly. We hope you enjoyed learning about ancient Egypt.